Hi, so today we're gonna just show you how to obtain infinite auctions, I guess. So yeah, here we go. So basically, how you do it is this. You open auctions, you click on this, and then, yeah, you just list it normally. But there is kind of a drawback to this, as we'll see later. So if I were to just, I don't know, attempt to put an auction up when I have something here, that would mean I would be unable to because it's full. You can't do that. So you are gonna have to cancel every auction until you're back within the limit. At which point you can just do this again. What is it? Okay, here we go. So yeah. So, yeah, that's the only drawback, I guess. So, bye.